at
This
any time.
conference will now be recorded.
Okay. So I request everybody to fill your name and the details that I asked in the sheet tip. If
If
anybody
you
having any issue, please let me know.
can you give access to write?
Oh, access you don't have. Okay, 1 second. I'm sorry. So access is only for the view, so it should be editing. That's correct. Everybody, please refresh the sheet team. You should be able to see the details. So, yeah. So please fill your name and the details that I asked. For example, so I'll see whoever is filled the details. Whoever is not filled, those people will be removed from the meeting. So everything is very strict here. Just to fill all the details. I want to track the details. Simply if you are in the class and you are not practicing, there is no use. So whatever details I'm asking, so please start filling those details too. So whoever can able to do without help, they can just fill the need help in SHIR download and install is no, and download and install SHIR. Download and install SHIR without help. So whoever can think they can able to download and install without help, they can say yes. Whoever need the help, they can say yes at the help needed. So 9 people filled, including me. So 8 people filled, I think. Yes, but I see 11 people in the class. Let me just remove the people who did not fill. Arjun, Harshan, Kiran. Kiran, are you filling or not? Lakshmikant, Mohan,
Yeah, I already filled it.
Monica is filled. Ram is filled. Venkatnarayan is filled. Lakshmikant, Kiran, Amar.
Yeah, 1 minute.
I don't see
So
your
I already
details.
filled it, but someone has removed me.
Again fill it. Okay, so Lakshmikant and Amar, please drop off. So there is no need if you are in the class without laptop. So I request both of you to drop off. You can go through the recording. Thank you.
No, Malay, I have a laptop.
You connected from laptop or mobile?
From the laptop only.
Okay, fine. You filled there no. That's why. Amar,
No, someone
you
has
can drop off
replacing
Amar. You can practice
values.
later. Hmm. Okay, fine.
Someone is replacing my values.
Fine,
I'm
fine.
sure.
Leave it. Now I think most of you need help in SHIR download and install, right? So okay, fine. Now, so what is the lab? Everybody aware, right? Because I announced in the group also before we announced the workshop. So what is the lab that we are trying to do today?
Uh, to copy multiple tables from on-premise to data lake.
On-premise means
On-premise SQL
on-premise, which
server.
is source in on-premise SQL Server to data lake storage Gen 2. We are going to copy the data. It is a multiple tables we will be copying. So yesterday we have seen how to connect to the on-premise and all. So what I was asking is, so now as a prerequisite we completed, we have seen the people who joined from the laptop with a good network. So people who joined from laptop with a good network, now you need to download the SHIR and install. So why I am asking you to do that as a first step is because SHIR will take some time to download as it is a 1.2 GB. So what I wanted to do is now I'm sharing my screen. I'll show you because most of you asked for the help in downloading SHIR and installation. I'll explain to you. So you come here, you can simply say download. So instead of this, maybe I'll ask someone to share screen and I'll show in his system so that those people can be finished. Amar, you joined from laptop or mobile? Hello? Amar, you joined from mobile or laptop? Mobile. So then you drop off, no need. So if you're in the class, there is no use. Next. Venkat Narayana, so you are there, right? So you have good network, right? Yeah. So you can share your
Yes.
screen. I'm giving you the permission. Please share your screen. Make presenter. Yeah. Please share your screen. Share your screen, Venkat. I have
Yes.
given you the permission. Share your screen. You know how to share the screen or you don't know? Okay.
No.
So Aparna, you share your screen, Aparna. Okay. So just to go to the browser. See everybody please follow here how to download and install the SHIR you see. Just say download self-hosted integration runtime. Download self-hosted integration runtime. Self-hosted integration. Select the first link, that first option. Yes, click on that. Click on the first link. So before you install, yeah. So maybe you can download. So what you can do 5.50. Select the 5.50 here. Select 5.50 meaning from the top. Yes, that is the one. Everybody look at this. Later you can do the lab. Okay. So first integration runtime once you selected, click on download. Okay. So this is what you need to do. Everybody please confirm once you start downloading team. So in the sheet, everybody please fill that you started the download. Okay. So I'll just give you, I'll add one more option in the sheet. Everybody, if anybody is having any issue while filling while starting the download of the shir, please let me know, tip. Everybody, so don't click anything. Aparna, just wait. Everybody please confirm, anybody having any issues while downloading the shir team. Everybody able to navigate and able to download the shir.
Yes, not see selected version.
5.50 you're not able to see.
Yes, no, I have seen 5.50, but not selected. It's a only
No,
read only.
you select that one. You select that one. You will see once you selected 5.50, you will get the download button enabled. You click on the download. So that's why I request everybody to focus on what I was explaining first. Once that is completed, I'll give you enough time. We planned the workshop for 3 hours because I don't want to rush. You have to do the things properly, slowly, with proper understanding. Okay. Are you able to see that option? If you're still facing any issue, please let me know so that I'll give you the option to I'll give you the option to share your screen so that you can share your screen. We will see what problem you're facing. Are you able to download?
No, I am sharing my screen.
You can't share. I need to give you the
Yes,
permissions.
yes,
Yeah,
please.
please share your screen, Arshan, now. Team, whoever is not able to follow, please look at here what I am giving you instructions.
See, yes,
Hmm.
see my screen.
Yes.
Yes.
Click on download. First, you click on download above.
Okay.
Now you have to select 5.50. That's why I'm saying first you look at what I am explaining, then you do the lab. If you're doing in parallel, you will see same problem. Select it.
Oh,
Hmm. Only one time you click on it. One time you click on it.
okay.
Down you will see a option called download. Click on download. Okay, now it will download. So anybody else is facing such issue, team, download shir. Anybody else is facing such issue? Okay. So once download is completed, Aparna, can you reshare once again your screen? So what is the first thing that we need to do is whether shir is already installed in your system, you need to see. Otherwise, you will confuse it later. So that's why everybody go to the start button, search for control panel. Everybody go to the start button of the laptop, search for control panel. Or you click on the Windows button and yeah, panel. Everybody look at here. Click on that control panel. Click on programs. Down programs. Click on programs and features. Here you see anything Microsoft integration runtime do we have? See, she is already installed. Microsoft integration runtime is there in our laptop. Okay, under Microsoft Edge. So now, Aparna, you right click on that Microsoft integration runtime. Click on uninstall. Click yes. So similarly, if anybody is already installed the integration runtime, so you will have a problem. So that's why I suggest you first uninstall it. Okay. So first I am showing you how to uninstall as well if you have already installed it. We'll do slowly. In next 3 hours, we'll complete the lab. I don't want you to rush it and simply do the lab without learning. There is no use. Okay. Do one thing. Click on Xbox. No, 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 no. Click on Xbox above, above, above. Click on that. Select that. Not able to select. Xbox. Click on that. You are not able to select, Aparna. Then click on simply ignore. Hmm. Click on yes. Click on yes. It removes everything. So now almost we are finishing the integration runtime uninstallation. If anybody now, please confirm me, anybody is having the integration runtime already installed in your laptop stream? Anybody have IR already installed in your laptops? Because if you have already installed in your laptops, I'll give some time to uninstall it, because I have shown you how to uninstall. But if none of your systems is installed with IR, then we can directly, I'll show you directly how to install the IR. Okay. So but before install the IR, we need to do few things. Don't try to install directly, team. Okay. So I'll tell you when to install the IR. Just download the IR and keep it ready. That's it. Okay. So now it is completely uninstalled. Very good. So don't install right now. I'll tell you. See now, what is the lab that we are doing, team? Aparna or anybody, please tell me what is the lab that we are doing today?
From multiple
on-prem to
from
cloud.
on
Huh? From
from
on-premise.
on
Copy
on-prem server
multiple
to cloud.
tables from on-premise Azure SQL Server to
See, you are just onboarding a train or bus and you don't know where to go. That's why I'm completely again and again I'm asking. Everybody should aware what is the target. What is this workshop? I put it in the group now today morning. When we start the workshop, I also I asked and I repeat it. Now again I'm asking what we are going to do today.
How to copy multiple tables from on-premises SQL Server to data lake storage.
Very good. Okay, that is the lab. We are trying to see how to copy multiple tables from on-premise SQL Server to data lake storage using the ADF. So what is our source here?
SQL Server.
SQL Server.
On-prem
SQL
SQL Server.
Server. Now we need to understand whether SQL Server, everybody is having a SQL Server or not. I think in your system SQL Server also will not be there. So Aparna, you please uninstall the SQL Server also in your system. I see SQL Server also there in your laptop. You uninstall, because I need to show everything from the beginning for other people. So uninstall the there itself. There itself. No, go up. Microsoft SQL Server 2022 64-bit. Microsoft SQL Server down. Next, no. Where are you going? Yes, above. Click on, right click on that. Click on uninstall. See, this is the SQL Server. So she has the SQL Server. Source is also installed, but I'll show you from very scratch because it will be very useful for you to learn. So click on simply remove. Uh, 1 second. Yeah, okay. I think that's it only. Remove only you need to do. 1 second. You select. Okay, so you. Okay, click on next. Select those things. I think you need to select. Click OK here. Select them. No, select above. Yes, SQL Express you select. No, no, no. You don't select one. You have to uninstall everything. Oh, you did it like this. I don't know. Select. No, I am saying. Okay, do one thing. Select SQL Express and uninstall it. Select all. Next. Remove it. So we are also removing the SQL server which is installed in our laptop. But see why I am showing is it will be very useful in case if somebody laptop you brought and in his laptop some SQL server and IR is already installed, so that you can uninstall. So once you uninstall, you will learn from the scratch how to install and how to do the source configured, IR configured. Okay, how you can create tables, how you can do the step by step. Click close it. I don't know whether it is done properly. Right click again on the SQL Server 2022-64-bit. Click on uninstall or change. Click on remove. Hmm. Remove one by one. I think you need to remove everything. Okay, do the proper uninstallations team. If you're not doing proper uninstallations, then while installing you will have a problems. Okay, everybody please observe here how we are doing the uninstallations. Even though your laptop is not having this, tomorrow for any reason if you want to uninstall and install, you should be able to understand these things. Click close. Again do the same. So in our case, she installed three different same server with a different renaming she has done. That's why. So I think she cloned those things. We are trying to uninstall everything so that it will be very fresh. Okay, so now down you will see Microsoft SQL Server 22 setup in English, right? So Microsoft SQL Server 2022 setup. Exactly above four places you see above fourth item from the exactly above. Further go up one item you go up SS, right click on that. No, down. SQL Server, read it Aparna. Yeah, uninstall this. The setup also you need to uninstall this. Okay, it is done. Okay, now what you will do, see what is the lab that we are doing team today.
How to copy multiple tables from on-premise SQL Server to a data lake storage gen 2
Okay,
using ADF.
on-premise means our laptop. So in our laptop, SQL Server should be there, which is our source. That is the first thing, right? So Aparna, you go to your browser. Everybody, please look at here. Go to your browser, Aparna. Now we will see how to download and install the fresh SQL Server. In your laptop also, you need to do this because it is very, very helpful for you to learn the SQL as well. So that's why I just simply say SQL Server uh, 2022 download. Okay, SQL Server 2022, you can say 2022 download. Go to the first link. Everybody please see, come down, completely come down. You see, no, above middle, little bit up. Yes, stop here. You see express setup, click on the download now. Express setup, you just click on the download now. It is downloaded. Now double click on that. You just double click on that. Okay, so once you double click, so just basic, yes, select, double click on that. Think, oh no, one second, come back to the previous step. Click on previous, yes, come down, very down, go down. No, why you are coming back? I'm saying come down, hold on, yes, like that, come down, further come down. Okay, you don't see any option, right? By clicking accept, yeah, just click on accept, click on install now. Okay, so now everybody please wait here until this download is completed. So once this download, once this installation is completed, you can start your installation. I'll give you enough time. So don't rush for anything. Learn it slowly. Understand the things. We downloaded, we went to the browser, we searched for SQL Server 2022 download. We clicked on the first tab, first search option that we got, and then we went inside and we went to the express setup. We downloaded that, then we double clicked on that. Here we selected basic, then accepted the terms and license agreement, then we clicked on the install. So currently it is installing. These are the steps we performed. Okay, so once this installation is finished here, you all have to do, if you have any issues, I'll help you. Just first focus on here because you need to see if you face any issue, how we are resolving, you have to see here first. Okay, so here now down the sorry, Aparna, now you open the Notepad plus plus. Yeah, anything in Notepad plus plus you open. Now what you will do, just to open a new sheet here, click on new sheet. Now go to the this installed option, previous one. Yes. Now what you will do, select the instance name, complete that name, you can copy paste it down. So right side SQL, yes, click on that. Yes. So paste it here. Now go back there, click on now close. Click on close it now. Okay. Yes, you can exit. So this is how you need to first download, install, then you have to copy this thing. Once you copy, so we will see how to connect and create the tables in it. Now what I request all of you to do is, please start download and installation of this SQL server. If you have any issue, please let me know. I'll give you the screen share access. You can share your screen and do the things. Okay. Yes, please continue to download and install the SQL server in your laptop. While downloading and installation, if you have any problem, please let me know. I am giving you 10 minutes time for this. I am giving you 10 minutes time.
Sir, I have the SQL server already. Do I have to do it again?
No, no, no. If you have, so you, if you know already, you only installed, right?
Yes, but it's long back.
That's
It's
fine. If you want to do, you can uninstall and do once again. So is it a 2022 one or 2019
yeah, it's
something?
2022.
Okay. So you can just keep it. But if you want to uninstall and install once again, you can do that also. Not a problem. You do whatever you want. But rest of the
Sir,
people, please install. Yes.
sir, I'm trying to uninstall, but I'm facing some issues.
ROM, right?
Yes,
Yeah. Please share your screen. Rest of the people, please download and install the SQL Server team.
sir, are you able to see?
Yes, yes, yes. Please go to control panel. Hmm. What you have here? What you are downloading? What you are doing? SQL Server 2022. I think something you removed and you are trying to install here. Right click on that. So yeah, I am able to see something you have not done properly. So I think now click on uninstall and change. Let's see if we can uninstall it. Click on
Sir,
remove. See, you removed that. You removed the files first and you are trying to uninstall. This won't work. Now what you will do, go back and try to directly install it. While installing, if you get any error, we will see. Mostly there won't be any problem. But yeah, try to install the 2022 once again directly, because you already deleted the files. If 2022 is not working, maybe you need to try out with the 2019 just for your learning. Okay, yeah, download. Better you can download 2019, so it is it will definitely install for you, because 2022 you already remove the files without uninstallation. That may create a problem. You have come down. Do you see anything SQL Express setup? No. Go a little bit up. Click on download here. Yes, this. is Express setup only. Download this. Double click on that. Start the installation. Click on basic. Accept. Accept it. Not required. Install. Okay. Now, yeah, it will be done. Okay. Any other people facing any issue, team? Anybody else is facing any issue? Anybody else is facing any issue, team? No? Are we all good? Lakshmikant, you are able to do it or not?
Yeah, I did install the SQL Server 2022.
Okay, Mohan.
Yeah, almost is completed. It's yeah, installing. Yeah.
Okay. Arjun,
Yeah.
you install the SQL Server?
Oh yeah, I installed it already.
Okay, good, good.
Thank you so much, Malaya. Like how do these things, because we faced this trouble and we invested nearly 3 to 4 hours. Oh.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. So let's learn, because in the next few sessions is completely depending on this. So if I teach you these things, and the next sessions it will be easy for me to explain. Otherwise, you will see what is file system, installation of self-hosted IR again and again. So these all things will confuse. That's why I want you to be clear on those things. Okay, so he is also installing. Once this is completed, now next thing is, whoever is completed installation of the SQL Server, please download and install the Azure Data Studio. But I hope most of you have the Azure Data Studio. If you don't have Azure Data Studio, please start download and install the Azure Data Studio. But I'll also show you that. Ram, you have the Azure Data Studio already?
Yes.
Okay. So I hope Arjun, you have the Azure Data Studio. Monica must have. Mohan, Lakshmikant, all of you having the Azure Data Studio, team. Is it ready?
No, no.
No,
Yeah,
no, I don't
I
have.
do have.
Mohan, you just go to. Okay, so maybe it will install. Mohan, you share your screen. I'll show you.
Sure.
Maybe.
Yeah, that share option is still. Yeah, I'll.
Hmm. So Ram, if you face any issue, please let me know. Ram, you have Azure Data Studio, so that's why I'm just directly going to the Mohan. People, whoever is not having the Azure Data Studio, please look at Mohan's screen. Share your screen, Mohan.
Yeah.
Okay. So yeah, go to just browser, say download Azure Data Studio. Yeah, click on the option is click on the first link. So come down little bit, slowly come down. Here only will be there. Yeah, stop it. Click on that X64 one, user installer X64.
This one, right?
Yes. Everybody please focus here and look at your team. We just downloaded the x64-bit user installer.
Yes, done.
Yeah, double click on that Azure Data Studio.
But this is still running. Is
Everybody,
it fine?
no, it is completed. Now you copy
Okay.
that one SQL Express, but both are independent, not a problem. You can copy and put it in the notepad somewhere. Notepad or notepad plus plus anywhere is fine. Already it is open for you, I think. Paste it. Okay. Now you just close this one. So okay. So now what you can do, you can go to download. Double click on that Azure Data Studio software. Slowly you do it. Okay. I'm not rushing you.
Yeah.
Double click on it. Double click.
Yeah, yeah. Already entered.
Accept the agreements. Click
Next.
next. Next. Next. Create a desktop icon, you can say. Maybe an icon on the desktop for quick access. Okay. Click next. Install it. So everybody please look at here. Now I'll also show you how to connect to that SQL server from this Azure Data Studio from Mohan laptop. Okay. So later I'll give you some tables, configuration table details. Those already I shared with you. If you have it directly, you can install. Sorry, you can execute them. If you don't have, I'll reshare once again. But everybody please look at Mohan's screen tip. Okay, click finish. Now if you see your data studio is opening. Yes, it is data studio. Click on the fourth tab. Click on the fourth tab from the top or bottom. Fourth
This
tab.
one,
No.
right?
Oh, sorry. I think third tab. Click on the third one.
First one, connection.
First one. Click on first one. I think
Oh,
it is
sorry, I'm
changed.
not getting.
No, click on the first one. I think connections they are saying.
Oh, okay.
Okay, here only connections. Okay. Because my previous installation it was in the fourth tab. Okay. Click on the new connection. Everybody please see here. Once again. Cancel this. So for example, if you have a already some connections, so this new connection may not show. Click on the file plus option. Servers next after servers, right? Yes. No, first one. Yes. So everybody click on this one, team. Okay, first option. Click on that. So you will get the new connection. Now you put the server name. What is the server name? Go to Notepad. See. Yeah, here you see server name localhost slash SQL Express. Only that much you have to copy. Server name is localhost slash SQL Express. Everybody, please copy paste. Don't type. If you type, you may just use instead of a forward slash, you may use backward slash. Any mistake can happen. Next, database name. Please copy from there. Database name. Please copy from there. Master. Currently, it is a master. Put that master there. Database. Click on
Malay, so yeah.
enable trust server certificate. Now down you see trust server certificate is false. Make it as a true. Slowly you can do, no worries. Click on connect now. Click connect. Okay. Now you should connect like this team. Once you connected, click on new query here. You are seeing right, new query, new notebook, refresh. Yeah, click on. Now left side, expand the databases. Expand the databases. If you see only system databases you have, no, please collapse it, system databases. So now only system databases you have, but you don't have your own database. Now to create your own database, click on write a query, create database. Whatever name you want to give for your database, you can give maybe Mohan DB or Practice DB, Dev DB, anything that you like to give, you can give there. Mohan, you can give your
Yeah.
whatever. Edu. No, this is not DB. The name it will confuse. It's a SQL
Oh,
on-premise, right? So you can just give the on-prem,
yeah.
on-prem, DB. Okay, just run this, run the query. Okay. Now you refresh. Go to left side of the right side of the databases above. Refresh it. Right side on the databases here, left side,
Okay,
yeah.
yes.
Click on that. Yes. See on-prem DB came. Expand on-prem DB. Expand tables. Now you don't have any tables. So first thing you need to focus here. Currently you are working in which database? How you will know where you are working currently? So if you see in the window, there is a database called master, it is showing.
Masters.
Meaning
Yeah.
whatever queries that you are executing, all those queries get executed on the master database. Now you select the drop down, expand and select the on-prem DB. So now you selected your on-prem DB. Now Mohan, I shared yesterday scripts. Do you have those scripts or you don't have?
Oh, sir, I don't have it.
Okay, 1 second. So I'll share those tables. You just create those tables. Once you create those tables, then we will wait. We will give the some time for everybody to make the source system ready. Because once our source system is ready, remaining things are very easy for us to do. Okay,
Sure.
just a minute. I'm sharing the required details with you. So just 1 second. So our target, we thought it is a data lake, right? Just a minute. I'll make the required changes and give you. Okay. It should be sync container sync. I'm making some changes and I'll give you just a minute. So I'm sharing in the chat. Please take everything. Oh shit, I'm not able to share everything at once. So everything please copy, Mohan, now. Everything please copy from the chat. Down, I also shared one more thing. Come down. Select the next message also. Okay. So put it in the same down. Now you copy everything from here and put it in the Azure Data Studio. Yes, copy and put it there. Now you remove that create database or comment it with the two hyphens. Yes, comment. Yes, fine. Enter. Paste it. Now first look at what we are doing here. So first we are trying to create a one employee table with ID, name, department name, and salary. Next, we are trying to create a product table. Come down slowly. See product ID, product name. Slowly come down, Mohan. Hmm. See product ID, product name, price, employee ID. Next, customer table, config table we are creating. And then I am also inserting few records in the employee table and inserting few records in the customer table and product table. Come down, and then we are also creating a config table here. 1 second, here there is a small mistake. Oh shit, I forgot. Here can you remove that everything in the line number 61, just a minute. Remove from team. For the last one I am just sending the corrected one. I think there is a small mistake is there in that. The hurry, I did not send it properly. 1 second, I am sharing now. Please take this tip. So I'm sharing once again for the last insert statement for the config table. So please take everybody. Oh shit, I need to share from here. Yeah, I sent now. Please take this one. Remove this and take the later. Oh, yes. Now you see, I am just trying to select what is my source table where I want to load in the data lake. Okay, what are the active tables, what are inactive tables. Okay, now you just do a run. I think. Okay, now you just do a run now. So it will just execute all the queries. Just click on run. It will just run everything. See now, first table 3 rows, second table 3 rows, third table 3 rows, fourth table is 4 rows are inserted. Okay, now you refresh the tables in this on-prem DB, Mohan. Right side to the tables, refresh it. Now you should be able to see all the 4 tables. If you want to see what is the data, right, query select star from customer, select star from EMP you can do to get it. Okay, now I request all of you to take a 15 minutes time to make the source ready team. I am giving the time is 15 minutes to make this ready. So meantime, if anybody is not aware how to make the source ready, okay. So I hope everybody is having SQL Server Data Studio ready. You just have to connect, create a database, switch to your database, then you insert all these queries. That's it. If anybody need help, please let me know. I'll give you the access.
Sir, I'm facing issues.
Ram, right?
Yes.
What issue, Ram,
Can
you
I,
are
can I
facing?
stop sharing on screen?
No. You no need to stop. I'll share the. Yeah, it will be automatically unshared. Yeah, Ram, you share
Okay.
your screen. What problem you are facing, Ram?
With the Azure Studios.
No, down things and all. You no need to check it. You uncheck those down things. Not required to register and all. Click next.
So here the option just
You
copied this.
copied right? Yeah, you copied right into the notepad.
Yeah, this one, right? The SQL Express I have copied and pasted in the notepad.
Okay, then you close this one. This is no longer required for us. You just close this. Click on exit. Yes. Okay, so this installation is happening. That's why, see, Ram, you made a earlier also same mistake. While I am explaining, you are doing something. If you don't, you said you have Azure Data Studio earlier.
Yes,
Hmm.
not compared.
If you, see, I am not saying, I am not shouting, right? I am telling you, if you don't have anything, you tell me, I'll help you. Why you are worrying? Click OK. Now you go to the Azure Data Studio. I think it is installed, right? Search for Azure Data Studio in the Windows. Hmm. So double click on that. Double click on the left side one. If the open button is not working, double click on that.
No, sir, it is not work.
What you downloaded also, I'm not very sure. ARMS 64 you downloaded, right? But we
Yes,
downloaded something else, I think, right? Yeah, you were
64.
not following it all. Okay, so go to the Chrome. I'll tell you once again. First, please go to the control panel. Let's see whether it is really already installed or not. First, go to control panel. Control panel is opened already in your system, which is the last option it is showing. Down, last one. Click on that. Here, Azure Data Studio, is it available? Go little bit up. Go top. See, Azure Data Studio is there. Right click on that and uninstall the first one. Right click, uninstall this. Click yes. Simply don't remove him. Okay. Please uninstall properly. Okay. Done. It is removed. Click OK. Now go to your browser. So go to again download Azure Data Studio. What you downloaded ARM64, but I said X64 you need to download for your Windows system. Just click on X64. See, I'm repeating again and again when I'm explaining something. If you feel something is not available, you need to do in your system. First, focus. First, learn what I am explaining. Double click on that. Without learning, you are doing parallel. If you do the parallel, it will waste all of our time. Next, already exist. Would you like to install to that folder anyway? Click yes. Click next. Add to path required shell restart. Uncheck this one because we are not checking this one anyhow. Create a desktop icon, you can say, just for your quick access. Yeah. Next, install it. Click finish now. Now data studio is opened. Now connect to the your this one. Um, it's a local SQL server. Connect to it. Click on new connection. See, you don't know how to connect also now because I was telling all these points there. So above, click on that new connection. Is put the server name, everything. Copy from the notepad. In the notepad, you have server name. What is the server name? First, tell me before you copy.
Localhost, sir.
Localhost slash SQL Express. So that everything is a server name. Copy and paste there. Database name is master. master, enter master. You are seeing that, right? Click on enable trust server certificate. Enable uh, database name. You can copy paste from there, or you can type it master database only. Okay, that is correct. Now here trust server certificate, turn it to true. You just cancel this one. Hmm. Now trust server certificate is mark it as a true from the drop down. Click connect. So now click on new query. Yes, here only new query, new notebook, everything is there. No, don't click on that new query. Here currently you are working in which database, Ram? You see
Yes.
database master is showing, right? So from here you need to left side expand the databases. Do you have your own databases? No, only system databases are there. Collapse it. But only system databases, you have your own database is not there. That's why you create your own database. Create database practice db. Anything you can give, name can be anything, whatever you wish to give you can give that, or practice db you can say. No, don't give the spaces and all. It is the name of the database. It should be a single. Now you run it. Once this is executed, refresh on the databases left side. Expand databases, not name. Expand databases. You see practice db. Now you switch from master to practice db. Check the tables. Check the tables. You have any tables? No, right? Now you copy paste whatever scripts I have given. You changed the last query, right? I have
Yes.
reshared again. Okay, now you
Done.
copy everything and execute it. So that source should be ready. Everybody made it ready, team? Comment it with the two hyphens or remove it. Okay, anything is fine. Now you run it. Everybody made the source ready? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, so please let me know if anybody source is not at ready, team. If anybody source is not yet ready, please let me know. Arjun, yours is ready, right? Source. Harshan, team, please respond. It is not for me, for you. I can continue to explain my workshop, but why I am asking you, you are not responding.
Yes, sir, it's ready.
So I am asking as a final call, team. Still, anybody is doing this installations of the SQL Server, installation of the Data Studio, or creation of the tables? Anybody is pending with the source setup? If pending with source setup, please say yes. Okay, everybody is good, right? Okay, now source is ready. Now we need to create a data factory and a data lake storage, because data lake is our target. Data factory is a service that we are using to copy the data. Now for this I want to check with all of you who is not having Azure account. Who all are not having Azure account, please confirm quickly. I'll share the temporary credentials which will be available for next 1 hour. But if you have it, you can't consume the $200. Don't ask again. Anybody who don't have the Azure account, please let me know, team here. Anybody is there here who don't have the Azure account? Okay, seems to be everybody is having Azure account. Now I request all of you to go and create a data lake storage and data factory, team. I request all of you to go and create a data lake storage and a data factory. Yeah, Ram, you create
Yes.
it. You create data lake and create the data factory.
Oh, Malaya, my account is expired. I am using that pay as go. Is it fine?
Yeah, it
Or
is fine. It is not charging much. It will not charge you.
okay,
Just data factory data like.
okay, fine. Yeah.
That's why we are keeping all the. See, now we need to create a VM and within the VM SQL server. That isn't costly. So that's why we are doing everything in our laptop. So there won't be any charges. Okay. What you want to do, Ram? Just to say
No.
portal.azure.com.
Yeah, yeah.
Portal.azure.com. What is the www Azure portal? It is not that one. Portal.azure.com. You believe me, you use that
Malaya, Malaya, the
portal.azure.com. Please hold on. Portal.azure.com. Ram, what are you doing? What a situation you are in. Portal.azure.com. What you are doing? Ram, are you really?
Sorry.
Why you are doing all these things? I don't know what you are doing. You don't know even how to log into the Azure.
If, one.
There only search portal.azure.com. Portal.azure.com first. Azure.com. Enter. Wait. Why you are getting all these things?
Actually,
You
I have
have the
seen.
Azure account, right?
Yes, sir. With the
So
other, I mean,
yeah, you click on the first link, Microsoft Azure portal. Sign in. Click on top sign in. Log in into the account where you have the free trial. Hmm. Once you complete creating the data lake storage and data factory, please let me know. Ram, you have the Azure account or not?
sir, I have, sir.
Okay. Don't take any tension. Slowly do it. We will wait. Okay. You did not get the code. You check the spam folder or something like that.
Yes.
If it is not showing, let me share credentials. You use these credentials for temporarily, maybe for now. Okay. Maybe later on you can do that. So I'm sharing the username and password in the chat team. So this user will be removed from the Active Directory after 1 hour. Okay. If you have it, well and good. Okay, he is resetting. It is good. But if anybody is not having the credentials, please use this. It will be available for today, next 1 or 2 hours. Okay, now you sign in. Click on up. Now go to storage accounts and create a one data lake storage and create one data factory. Create a data lake storage ROM. Okay. RAM data lake 19. Today date you can give something like that. Simple, right? RAM data lake you enabled. Okay. So after that, what to do, team, for data lake storage? Hmm.
Enable hierarchical namespaces.
Right, right. Complete that. Yeah. So now in the next tab, you open same portal.azure.com in the next tab and yeah, duplicate it. Duplicate this simply. Yeah. Now what you can do, you can create the data factory, team. Create data factory. Okay. So one more just guidance. So if you have used recently some services, those will be shown here itself. Now you see data factory showing there itself. You are unnecessarily searching. Okay. If you have used something, it will be there. Okay. Okay. So he created both. Anybody is pending with, see the name is somebody has taken. Just click on directly basics. So that's why don't give the very basic name. Simply RAM ADF. Somebody might have used. Give RAM dev ADF workspace WS 19 today date. Validation failed because this is also somebody has taken. Okay, it is not taken. Now click on review plus create. Now ADF, give ADF workspace WS. You can give simply WS shortcut workspace. Yeah, click review plus create. Okay, so it is created here also. Now anybody is pending with creation of the data lake and data factory, team? Anybody still doing the option of like anybody still creating the data factory and data lake storage? Everybody is created, right? Now I request everybody to open the data factory first. Open the data factory, go to resource, click on launch. Arjun, you are following, right? Arjun, Mohan, Monica, Lakshmikant, Arshan.
Yeah, yeah. I launched that data factory.
Okay. Now once you launch the data, Go to data factory, not the data lake storage. RAM. Go to resource. Click on go to resource. Slowly you do RAM. You take time. You are clicking. So if you know something, you are clicking quick, 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 quick. Don't do that. Read the options. Slowly you do it. We are waiting. Okay, no worries. Now data factory workspace is once it is opened team. Now what you need to do is please go to manage tab. Everybody please look at here. For RAM I am showing, everybody please focus here. Go to the manage tab, fourth tab from the top. Yes, click on that. Everybody please focus here. So under linked services, next to the linked service, you have option called integration runtime. Default we have Azure integration runtime. Click on that. Default we have Azure, but we want self-hosted. Click on new. Here select Azure or self-hosted. Click continue. Select self-hosted. Do it whatever you know. Wherever you get stuck, I'll explain to you. Okay. So you have to be here. Hold on here. Don't close it. Just keep it like this. So everybody please create the IR in the ADF team. Once you have completed creation of IR in ADF, please let me know. Please respond to him. I am shouting, but you are not giving expected response. I am not aware where you are getting stuck and all.
So I completed until here.
Okay, thank you. Okay. 7:38 by 7:40. Please complete creation of the self-hosted IR in ADF team. It is very simple.
Yeah, I today created a IR.
Very good. Anybody is pending with IR team? If it is yes, please confirm team. Anybody?
Just
Okay. We will wait. Please confirm once you're done. Are you done? Who is still pending team? Please confirm. Okay, so I'm assuming everybody is completed. Now very carefully focus. This is very important step. Now Ram, go to your downloads. Here only, just to top, click on the download option. I'm simply saying don't go anywhere. Ram, you are not understanding when I am speaking something. I don't know what is the problem. Here only, click on the top download option. Yes. Now you see IR you installed is the first one, right? Double click on that. Here itself, take the cursor, double click on that. Let's wait. Just wait. It will come. Takes few seconds, but it will come. Okay. Now once it is there, click on next. Accept the terms and license agreement. See, you can double click from here or from the download button also you can do that. Otherwise you cancel this one, Ram. We will come back from the download folder again because I have shown you from here. Click yes. Finish. Now go to download folder. From there we will start installation because this is not standard. Double click on that here. Now same option will come. Click next. Accept terms and license agreement. Next. Next. Install it. So yeah, so please focus here team. Once installation is finished, I'll give you enough time, but please focus here. Don't do from your side. If you again ask same things, it is difficult. Please focus here. Click on finish now. Now here you need to put the key. Go to the data factory. Now copy this. Copy any one key, any key. Copy. Put that key there. Last option down. Paste it here. Then click register. Click finish. Click launch configuration manager. Now you just close this. Okay, yes, close that. Now here also you close, in data factory also you close this option, this form you can close it. Now refresh this page. You here only integration runtime. Please hold. In integration runtime, refresh it. Integration runtime, there is option refresh above little bit. Click on new integration runtime. Next to it there is a refresh button. Click on refresh. Now if you see IR is up and running. Using this IR, now we are going to create a two linked, one source linked service. But before that, I request everybody to start installing the self-hosted IR. I request everybody to install the self-hosted integration runtime. So if you have any challenges while installing, if you're not aware, please let me know. I'll join. So now time is 7:45. I am giving you 5 minutes time. By 7:50, IR should be available. Okay. Do the same steps. Whoever is finished, please confirm me. Okay. Once you finished it. Whoever need help in installation of the self-hosted IR, please call me. I'll share the screen share. I'll give you the screen share access so that we can do together. Anybody need help in installation team?
Sir, after copy and pasting the key, do
Hmm.
I have to just click finish, or I have to select any enable remote access? Or
No, enable remote access. Currently, it is not required. You can just click on finish.
okay.
Yeah. Once I finish it, so
Hmm.
it's asking to launch the configuration manager or close.
Yeah,
Should I
just
close
click
it?
on launch. Launch. Click on that
Okay.
launch configuration manager and close it. Just to see it is connected to the cloud services.
Yeah, it's saying that self-hosted node is connected to this cloud service.
Yeah, close that. Come to the data factory. Refresh the IR and see whether it is showing as a status running or not. Okay, Monica and Lakshmikant is completed. Ram is completed.
Uh,
Now Mohan, Arshan, and Arjun. Aparna, you are
yes,
done, right?
yes.
Mohan,
When it's yes, sorry.
Arshan, you completed?
Yes, sir. No,
Okay.
For me,
yeah, I am installing IR. Then coming for as a pop-up. This computer is
Okay.
configured
Okay.
in
Okay. Do
this.
it. Do it. Do it. Do it.
Okay.
Mohan, in progress.
yeah, the installation is going actually. The status is in
Okay. Okay.
progress.
Fine. 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 No problem. No problem. We'll wait. Take your own time. Don't rush it. Don't make any mistakes. Okay. If you make a
Uh,
mistake, that will take more time.
share my screen because I am opening a
Hmm.
pop-up sleep hibernate mode to change the settings.
Make presenter. Yes. Yeah.
Yes.
Share your screen.
Okay.
So I told you this particular option you will get it. Click OK. This is generally will you will get when you have a when you will get this problem is think of this way. Your system is turned off or sleep mode. It will go for sleep mode after 5 minutes, but IR is connected with ADF. If it is in a sleep mode, IR will not run, right. So that's why it is asking you to turn off those power off buttons. Click OK. What you are
Okay.
seeing. Hmm. Now click on that change plan settings. Click change plan settings. That will continue, but click on change plan settings. Here, right side, right side.
Change plan setting. Yes.
Here you say never. Just for now. Later on, maybe you can just go to power buttons and you can say you can just turn
Never.
off those. Never. For now, you can just put it as a never because this is just here to be up and running continuously. So right side also. Next to that also. Hmm.
Okay.
Click
Save
save change.
changes.
Hmm. Now you go to the IR installation. It is finished. Click finish.
Microsoft Corporation. I think yes.
Now you paste the key from ADF.
Okay. It's a register.
Yes. Mohan, in progress. Arjun,
Yeah, almost is completed. Yeah.
Arjun. Okay.
Mala in progress.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, and then launch configuration manager.
Yes.
Right.
Yes. Launch configuration manager. You close this. Go to data factory. Refresh the integration runtimes and see.
Is it close? Just close.
Refresh
Right.
this. Okay. It is running. Okay.
Then
Good.
okay. Thanks.
Yeah. Let's wait for 2 more minutes for them to Mohan, why it is taking too much time? Share your screen, Mohan.
Yeah, yeah. I enter the key now. Yeah. It's
Okay, so no
let
problem.
me
Share your screen. We'll connect to the SQL server.
sure.
Or maybe let me give the access to the Ram. Ram is having some struggle. Maybe from for him I'll explain. Ram, you can share your screen.
Enable remote touch. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, Ram. Now, Mohan, once it is available, let me know. Okay.
Yeah, mine is done. Yeah.
Okay. Now everybody focus again here. Ram, now go to linked services. Hmm. Create two linked services. First, click on new linked service. Do it whatever you know. Wherever you get stuck, I'll explain to you. Very good. SQL server. He selected SQL server. Very good. Next. First, slowly you do it now. Give the name of the linked service. Step by step you do it. Don't skip. Okay. Every option you look at and do it.
Actually, I'm not able to see the screen. I
No,
can see only the meeting settings.
everybody is able to see it.
I can
Yes,
see.
I see.
Uh, like whoever is not able to see, can you just check the options? Maybe somewhere it is going down or something. Screen. Mohan, you are not able to see.
Yeah, I can see only the meetings settings.
Maybe you also try to do same thing. Whatever I'm saying. Go to linked service. Click on new and normally you know right what to do. SQL server you need to select.
Yes, yes, yes. Yeah.
Hmm. So from the notepad, you select your server name again and put the same server in the linked service. Very good. Excellent. Okay. Next, database name. Very good, Ram. Okay. So everybody see how what he is doing. Exactly, you need to do same team. Okay. I know most of you aware the things, but if anybody is having any confusion, you can look at here. Okay. So here what you need to do, please select Windows authentication instead of the SQL authentication team. Okay. Windows authentication, put your system username and system password. When you are entering into your laptop, you will enter username and password, right? Please set up that. Please provide that username here.
So actually,
Think, hold on,
I'm
hold
trying.
on. I think you are entering wrong details. So that is not your password. You are entering some pin or something.
I
You
kept
do you do
pin.
you how you are logging into your laptop?
So I kept the pin, sir. Actually.
Pin, but you need to have a password. If you simply enter pin, it will not
Okay,
work.
I try to
You
get.
set up the password. Check if you have a password. Trust server certificate. Check self-hosted IR only you selected, right? Okay, now test the
Yep.
connection.
Oh, can I close and rejoin?
Yes, yes. I think you close. You just do Windows and L. Windows and L in your laptop. Window button and L. I think it is gone. So when you logged it, you now you try to log in with your password into your system, Ram. Try to log in into your system with password, not the pin.
Should I click on? I forgot.
Yeah, see, if you have a forgot password, you try to do that. Uh, and you need to put there your system password. Mohan, you share your screen, Mohan, now. Ram, you set up the password meantime for your system. Mohan, you share your screen. Everybody, I hope everybody is maintaining username and password for your laptops, Windows. How you logging into your system? Go to link ADF now, Mohan.
Yeah.
Provide all the details.
Okay. The
Provide
server
whatever
name which.
details. Server name. What
So
should be
I
the
can
server?
give any name.
You give whatever you want. What you are saying. Server name is the one which you copied into your notepad when you install the SQL server. You are saying SQL server, you want to give anything.
No, actually I missed that one. So how can I get?
Server name, you have installed SQL server and you pasted those details in the notepad, right?
Okay.
Localhost slash. Please copy paste everything, don't type it.
Yeah.
Database name. What is the database name?
Database on prime something I gave.
Answer. Correct. What is something you see and give exact one, what you have given.
Okay. On prime DB.
Hmm. You should share your full screen because people can't able to understand if you simply say that. Okay, so you do it. Okay, you enter your system username and password. Monica, you share your screen because if others will not be able to understand if you're hiding them.
Sir, actually, I'm setting up my username and password.
Okay, okay. Everybody, please set up the system username and password first.
Yeah,
Take
I
some.
also not done for the password. So let me.
Please set up the system username and password. Too. Windows and L. When you lock it, it will ask to enter the password. If not, it will ask you to give the forgot password. You set up that and come back. You people are maintaining systems without password, without username and password.
Old password.
Everybody set up the user and password team.
So I'm having an issue. Can I share my screen?
Yes, yes. But those things I think we can't able to see from our this one. Let me pause the recording because those are sensitive data.
This
Okay, let me
conference will now be recorded.
come down and show me what is the problem.
Yeah, so I have selected version 2.0. And then,
What
so
you are doing?
from,
You are doing Edu SQL database. It is a SQL server you need to select. Cancel this. Now cancel this entire linked service. Discard changes. Click on new again. SQL server you need to search, not SQL database. SQL server. Select the second one. Click continue. Double click on that. It will go. It is not going. Just click on hide. That stop share hide. Click on continue. Hmm. Give the name. IR is selected. Okay. Server name you put it there. Come down. Database name. Not master. In the database, you might have created your own database. You have not created your own database. Go to Edu Data Studio. You created DevDB. Correct. Hmm. Now you select Windows authentication. Enter your system user and password. Okay. Trust server certificate. Check that box. Trust server certificate. Test connection. Yeah, connection is successful. You can create it. Similarly, create a linked service for data lake storage.
Yes, sir. I'm not able to set my system password because it's not having an option.
If you can't set up the system password, I can't help you in that because the problem is when you're sharing your screen, those will turn off those things. I'm not sure because whenever you are locking, I think it is sharing is disabling. I'll not be able to guide you that way.
yeah, sure.
So, Ram, you setted your password. Ram, team, it is for you. When I am calling multiple times, are you what you are not responding at all? Yes, Arshan, you share your screen.
Yes. Yeah. See my screen?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. Here is the signing option only for not have any password things.
Password thing. You have that user, right? 1 second. Security facial recognition. 1 second, 1 second.
Yeah.
This issue somewhere I have faced. This is Windows 10 or 11.
Yeah. 11.
Windows 11, right? Okay, 1 second. I'll see the option to. So you have user.
Yes. Sorry.
You have the user, I am saying.
Harshan.
I'm not saying your name. Your system username, you have it right already.
Yes, yes, yes.
It is saying you are in the settings. In settings, go to accounts. Click on
Yes.
accounts one second. In the accounts, you are not able to. Okay, one second here. Do you see anything password? One second here. Wait. Slowly.
Yes, yes.
Select sign in
There is
options.
pass
Click on
key
sign
option.
in
Is there
options.
pass?
Click on sign in options.
Yes.
Here it is showing only the facial recognition, these things. Password is not showing, right?
No, no. Can you go back and there is pass key option? Is there?
Is the count?
Come down. There is pass key. Is there? Right? Come down. The last one.
Yes.
Pass key. Okay.
Yes. Click on it.
Here. Click the
This is
account and
one second. Don't delete anything. Okay? You're not able to set it right. So same problem we resolved for one person. So yeah. Go to accounts once again. Yes, now I understand.
Yes.
Accounts again. Here, so here you will have an option called additional settings. Somewhere come down. Somewhere you will have additional settings. You don't have additional settings. Slowly. Sign options. One second. Go to sign in options. Sign in options. In sign in options, you
Yeah,
should see
additional.
additional settings you have, right? In
Mm-hmm.
additional settings, you should have a disable the option for improve security only. So that one you disable that one. Yes,
Disable. Just disable.
it is disabled. Right? Just a minute. I'll tell you what you need to do. So now you what you will do? You disable, right? You go back and come inside again into the sign in options. Now go inside again sign in options.
Yes.
Now you set the password options. Yes. Now you set your password. Okay. So it is
Okay.
screen sharing. You set it later. Maybe you need to reuse this. Okay. So anybody else is facing this issue, team? First you enter
Yeah,
your
I'm
security pin
facing the
to
same
go
issue.
inside. Then you can set the password.
Okay.
Now you set the password. Yes. Yes, Monica. You are able to set it.
Yeah, I'm doing the same thing.
Okay. Next, Ram. Okay. Mohan. Mohan, you are done.
yeah, I'm done the password. Yeah.
Lakshmikant. Oh, he is done already. Okay. Arshan is
Yeah,
sharing
completed.
other screen. Aparna, you are doing okay, right?
మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి
Yes, who is that? Monica, right? Is that Monica who is called me? Who called? Who called him? Okay, fine. Because same credentials tomorrow when we are connecting to the file system source, you will be using that. So please make sure you have keep the things ready. Monica, you are done. Okay, you are doing the same process.
I'm doing the same thing. Yeah.
Fine. Take time. Take time. So by next 5 minutes, please finish it, team. People who knows how to create the linker service for data lake storage, how to create data set parameters, pipeline lookup activity for each copy activity to copy multiple tables. I request all of you to continue to do whatever you know. Wherever you get stuck, please let me know. So from here onwards, I think this is a common thing we were doing since the beginning of the training. You should be able to do by your own without follow up. You should start doing the things. If you get stuck somewhere, you can feel free to call me. I'll give you the screen share access and we will work on it quickly. Okay. Please do it, team. Everybody, every individual has to do your own things. Okay. Create a two linker source, create two data sets, create pipeline lookup for each copy and proceed it. Wherever you get stuck, you can call me.
Okay.
I'm facing the same issue. I don't know. It is saying password is incorrect.
Okay, first let me help the Harshan. Once he is finished, maybe I'll help you. See, wait. You need to see you people are that much worrying.
Yes, I
Okay, click
finished.
finish. Click finish. Okay. Fine. Monica, you share your screen. I'll see. Now you share your screen, Monica. Hmm. Click on change the password. Click on change. Now the password is incorrect. Please strong password help prevent unauthorized access. Change your password. So first you remove both. First you remove both. Current password. It is asking current password. Current password means what is your current password? You don't have any password currently, right? I think you set up something just now, few minutes ago. You need to give that. Oh, I think this Outlook.com email ID password it is asking team. It is not asking, please understand, it is not asking the this one. Yes, now you set the new password. Click next. Old password, new password, click next. Okay, it is done now. Okay. Now, Monica, I hope you are good now, right? So you can use the new password. Try to create linked arrays. I'll wait here. We'll see. Hmm. So use the on-premise linker service. Are you using on-premise linker service? First thing is you need to use the self-hosted integration on time. Please use the self-hosted integration on time. So step by step you do it. Next, hold on slowly, step by step. Server name is correct. Database name, I think you have given that correct. Next, SQL authentication type should be Windows authentication. Then you enter username and password now. Come down, click on trust server certificate. Now test the connection. Now you create it. Okay, so I hope you from here everybody can able to pick. So now you continue to create linked service for data lake. It is very straightforward. Create data sets, create a pipeline. I'll be there. Whoever gets stuck at any place, you can call me.
Yeah, can I share my screen?
Just a minute, I'm connecting my charger. 1 minute.
Okay.
Yes. Who is that?
Yeah, this is Lakshmikant.
Lakshmikant. Okay, sure. I'm giving you access. Please share your screen. Hmm.
Yeah,
Tell me
so I
about.
did created the data set. Okay.
Okay, very good.
And then so I came to parameters. I
Hmm.
created two
Correct.
parameters, one for schema and table. I came to
Correct.
connection and then enter it dynamically by selecting
Correct.
enter manually. When I preview
Correct.
the data, okay, so
Hmm.
it is saying that it's required value. So we need to
Because
type here
first
dload
thing
or
is you
schema.
first thing is you if you want to preview data for any table, so these are parameterized. You parameterize, right? For which table you want to
Yes.
preview the data, you give that table schema name and table name to preview data, just to show it will
Mhm.
show you the data. Okay.
Okay, otherwise not required.
Yes, it is not required. No, just cancel, it is not required. Okay, just create
Okay.
a team when you log in into. I'll stop my screen. Let me share my screen.
Can share my
Whoever.
screen?
Who? Harshan.
Sure. Yes, sir.
Share your screen.
Yes. Yes. All things are filled. Okay. Sorry. Just is the runtime. Is the test connection is failed?
SQL Express 01. Is that correct?
Yes. Yes. SQL Express 01.
On-premise DB is correct. So go there and show me from
Yes.
Azure Data Studio. Go to Azure Data Studio and show me.
Okay. On-premise DB.
Local host slash SQL Express 01. Okay. And it is on-premise DB. Okay. Go there now. One second. Self-hosted IR, you selected local host SQL Express 01. And on-premise DB selected Windows authentication. Harshan, is it uppercase or lowercase your username?
Is the uppercase?
Password is correct, right? Test the connection now. Check the
Yes.
username, safe side. And you are, I think you are entering wrong password. That is the only way that you may be missed. Click on
I'm
more.
just a minute. I'm just checking with this. Username.
Check it. And
Same things enter here.
it is wrong password, right?
No, it's the same password. I think. This is
You are
checking.
able to log in.
Yes. Yes. I'm logged in
Okay.
into same
Okay.
password.
Share your screen once again.
Okay.
I think the screen share access is there. You can share your screen.
Is the connection failed?
Mm, so go to your okay. Go up again. We'll verify once again all the details. SQL Server only you selected. Um, Arsenal integration one time. Local host SQL Express 01. On-premise DB. Windows authentication. Go to your user. Show me the user. Username
Yes.
I want to search. Is it uppercase or lowercase? Let's see.
Is the
Harsh.
uppercase.
Okay, you set the password, but you are still not able to close this one now. Mm, there is no other way. Click on that error message, what it is showing. Click on more. It is your personal laptop only, right?
Yes. Yes.
server team, the system could not find the environment document was entered. So here before Harshan, can you put localhost slash Harshan?
Localhost.
Just put slash Harshan.
Just
Just copy paste that one. So do
here.
one thing.
Yes, yes.
No, at the username down. No. Yeah. Keep it localhost there. I am saying localhost. You bring it to the username.
Here.
Yes, yes. At the
Localhost.
starting. Add the starting. Add at the starting.
No, no. Sorry, I'm not understanding.
Please keep the cursor
Username.
at the beginning and paste it. Localhost slash Harshan. Please give the username as localhost slash Harshan.
Okay, 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 okay. Here, localhost is Shasham.
Slash should be this side, I think. Okay. Try it. Test connection first with this. If it is not working, maybe you change the slash. If nothing is working, then you lock your system. While you are logging in, take a photo and put it in WhatsApp. I'll see. Now you change the slash to it is backward slash. I think forward slash you make it in the username. Test connection. You do one thing. One more thing I want to tell you. Remove it. This Arshan one. Sorry, local host. Whatever you added, remove it. Only keep the Arshan. Now you re-enter your password. Now you lock your system. Take like while logging in. Send me the photo in WhatsApp.
Oh, where goes to? Locking.
You log the system. How you logged in into your system just now, right? You want for testing the password. You re-logged in into the system, right?
Relogged
Windows
in
and
system.
L. Now while logging in,
Win-
take a photo and send me in WhatsApp. Are you getting?
and logged in and sign in option and sending photos, right?
Yeah, I just want to see how you are logging in. Is there any mistake? I want to see username and password. While you are typing password, you send me photo.
Okay.
Simple thing. You are confused. Remaining people, please continue to do your lab team. And if you get stuck at any place, please call me.
Oh, I'm also facing the same connection error only. I also tried username pass.
Okay, wait. Let me see first is thing. You're sending a
Just
photo.
sending
Yeah.
sending
Yes,
photo.
yes. See, your username is Harshan Kadam. I think what you need to do is you try to do one more thing while you are entering password. It should be Harshan Kadam. I think try to use that username.
Just a minute. I'm sharing my screen again. Yes.
Um, Otherwise, there is a one. Okay, you try this. If it is not working, I'll tell you what you have to do. Enter your password. Some username and password also need to teach.
Here is the issues with the space, I think.
Hold on. I'll tell you. Just a minute. Wait. I'm just checking through command line interface how to get that username.
Okay.
Just a minute.
When we just open command prompt, it will show the
See,
username, right?
go to your command prompt. Open your command prompt.
Yes.
Your
Is the
yeah, harsh. You just use harsh.
okay.
HARS. Just use in the small case. If it is not working, you can we'll see that again. I think it should work 99%. I'll give you one command to see the exact username if it is not working. But mostly it should work, I think.
Yes, it's work.
Okay, fine. So similarly, I think whoever is facing error, just open your command prompt team. So in the command prompt, you will get it that username user slash what is that username will be there next to that user. So just put that name. At least we are solving all these basic problems. If you're not taking up this workshop, then definitely you will not be able to try those all things. Yes, someone else told same error. Is that fixed? Who is that? Someone
Oh
else
yeah,
told.
yeah. I'm only told Mohan.
Is it fixed, Mohan?
Yeah, I'm trying now. No, still I'm facing same error only.
Okay, share your
From the
screen.
command, yeah.
Oh, share your screen. I'll tell you. So please continue to do remaining things, team. Remaining things are very straightforward.
So my
Only till
here
this.
username is Dell.
Try to use the same name, Dell.
Yeah, I enter the Dell and pass.
Password. Above, can you go little bit up above? Come down. Select the trust server certificate. Come down.
Okay.
Test connection.
Yeah, now it's fine. Yeah. I think
Okay.
because of this. Yeah.
Okay. Click apply and do the things, team.
Yeah.
Yeah. Remaining things you should be able to do. If anybody gets stuck at any place, please let me know.
Sure.
Yeah, so I did created two linked services, and
Hmm.
then I'm trying to create a pipeline right now.
Hmm.
So I did created the pipeline as well. So,
Hmm.
but
Share
while
your screen.
during settings, right? Okay, let me share. Yeah, so I did create added the activity lookup. Okay,
Okay.
so while adding the
Lakshmikant, you are
dynamic
doing
config
very good basically. So you no need to worry. So here, because this is the first time, we need to pass it
system, that
hard coded values. You pass the see generally. I told you maybe you forgot it. If you take a table, no. Just be there, be there. Let me
okay,
explain to you. Listen. Here, cancel this. I'll tell you. Now, if you provide the table name and schema here, it will give the inactive and active records, all the things. So that's why schema
you
name
need to
and
write the
table name,
query. Okay,
instead of that, we write the query, select star from table config where is active equal to 1 to get only the active records. Okay, is underscore active. I think is underscore active equal to 1. Anyhow, it is a now tab the parameter values you must have to give. So that's why